how to pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay on China Buy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply open your China Buy over here, of course, and you're going to click on your profile over here. Over here, you will be able to see that you have balance. Simply click on my balance over here. So this is some kind of wallet that you have that you will utilize when you're purchasing items in China Buy. So what you're going to do to be able to pay with your Google Pay or your Apple Pay is you're simply going to click on top up, select how much you want to pay or deposit into your wallet. So let's say $100. Click on top up now. And you will be able to see here one of the options over here. As you can see, we have Google Pay and Apple Pay over here as available payment options for us to top up into our Allchinabuy account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.